and we wish you nothing but the best and make a lot of money and believe in yourself. Love what you're doing, so then you can absolutely be successful in your career that you chose.
Yes, Survival Beauty. If you look through our IGTV catalog, you will definitely see some video that Nancy do the mesh lace, and it come out pretty nice.
All right, so I'm gonna doing it like a blending nice. You can add some more weaver gels in here. It looks really cool. I'm so like in love with this color. It's just really bright and vibrant. So do some crystal placements. So you wanna see neon crystals on this one, or do you wanna see something else? I don't know, this one is gonna be feed with neon. It looks cool though. But you let me know. Here is no wipe top coat. The reason I do no wipe top coat on the top is to absolutely not only to finish look after you're done, it's no tacky on it. Second, it will grab with condensed glue gels and top coat, it will grab the base of your crystal, stay really tight in. Maybe we should do a diamond dust pixie. No, diamond dust pixie? Well, it's really cute. If you're doing this clear on it, we should do that, should we? Or should we do the next one? We should do this. It doesn't cover anything at all. We'll see how it's brighter. Yeah. Or should we leave it alone? Neon. Okay. Let's say neons. What's the name of that? For kids? I'm on my way to purchase it.
So down, just go to Transfer 4 collection. There should be among the top one.
Okay, neon.
Within the first 5 or 10 one. It's like a very new one, so actually I don't quite remember it yet, but it's really pop.
Right here. I can't pull it out for you, Dom, but it's the newest collection though. I'm trying to remember in my brain now. All right, neons, everyone. How can I do it without messing this all beautiful up? I want. So I'm gonna do something else. And be good. I'm trying not to messing it the designs up. Oh, I can't wait to see all your beautiful creations. I am like, just think about that. You all like create some fun design. Just make me like excited. Just happy colors. I'm not gonna try to. Did have some yellows in there. So I will, what we're doing is like giveaways. I'm gonna try to get some really fun newest products. Also is I'm trying to work as a theme. Guess what? Because in that way you can able to name it and get chance to win the giveaway. So I'm gonna put some beads on this. Something it on my crystal pickers. Some furs get into my crystal pickers. So I'm gonna, so when it happened like that, it's simply you just pick it off. I'll get a piece of no lens papers and just clean it off, and it should be fine for you. They last me quite a long time unless I'm dropping up so many times, then it's gonna say bye to me. Well, sometimes it accidentally drop it and it just, the tip is like danged. So I am on Instagram. I couldn't share it probably because the network that on my phone is really bad for lately for last few days. So if you can share it for your bestie or for a group, that will be awesome.
Yep. So Lori, usually after the live we will put a post up with the whole set and with all the requirement and on how you should be able to enter. Then just follow all the instruction and name the set.
Yeah, it's just really easy, Laurie. You just need to basically you just look at the nails that we're doing it today, and then you are what you feel like in your feeling, and then you name the set, which is 4 nails, and you name X nails. Just simple, and tag one of your bestie, and then that enter you to win, to chance to win the giveaway. So I'm happy with this. We're gonna kill this for is 60 seconds.